following message is to ABC30TV. The Roblox character is named GOOGLEMAPS22. He is unstoppable GOOGLEMAPS22. The unstoppable GOOGLEMAPS22 has a sword. Lock all windows and doors. Bring food, water, drinks, toys, first aid kit, and the battery power radio for you. Stay tuned for after programming. The following message is to ABC30TV. The unstoppable GOOGLEMAPS22 is starting to spread disease in San Jose. Go to shelter now. Bring food, clothing, drinks, toys, first aid kit, and the battery power radio for you. Don't go outside. If you go outside, the disease will kill you. Stay tuned for after programming. All stations and radios in United States will get activation of emergency alert system. You're listening to emergency alert system. Do not use the telephone. The telephone gets still open for emergency alert system. The following message is to ABC30TV. The unstoppable GOOGLEMAPS22 has a fire hammer to spread wildfires. All peoples in East United States will go to Western United States now. Bring food, clothing, drinks, toys, first aid kit, and the battery power radio for you. Stay tuned for after programming. The following message is to ABC30TV. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. A planet slowly coming to end. At 6:00 p.m. Eastern Time, the unstoppable GOOGLEMAPS22 is transforming into a NOOB. The unstoppable GOOGLEMAPS22 NOOB summon a large meteor will strike Earth until 10 minutes. When the meteor hit Earth, the hottest fire waves will form, and block the all sunlight about 5 years. NASA is about the sadly news about this. There's no way to stop this. Get your friends and family together and praise for the end. Romans 6:28, the free gift of God in this end of life. The humans is about to NOOBS Wasteland. This station will sign off the final with playing a national anthem. Please stand by the final ACT vision of the emergency alert system.